Hey everyone, welcome to Social Meet, and we have a brand new video for all of you. Today we are doing our first ever unboxing experience for JBL Harman earphones. Before we get into the unboxing part, let me just tell you a little bit about my shopping experience with Flipkart. I ordered this product on the 13th of June 2021, as you can see over here, and then I had to wait for 7 days until they shipped and packed the product. Finally, the product came 4 days after they shipped. So it took about almost 2 weeks for me to finally receive the product. A tad disappointing because I thought it was going to reach me sooner, but they took 7 days only until they packed and shipped. I don't know what's the reason behind that. But anyways, here's the product in front of you, and let's go ahead with the unboxing. Finally, we have our earphone right in front of us, and that's the receipt for my purchase, and it looks pretty well wrapped in some kind of plastic bag. Yes, that is a plastic bag. Let me open it up. Here we go. We have our JBL Harman Endurance Run black earphones. I think JBL has done well with the packaging here. The box is very sturdy and strong, not too flashy, definitely a touch of premiumness. You know, that's the word I like to use. But yes, the cost I'm showing is about 1599 rupees, but I got it at a lesser price of 1037 rupees because of some discount that was going on. On the side here, as you can see, there is a small strap that's linked to some kind of a magnetic mechanism to open the box. So you don't have to rip the box open or torn it apart. You can just lift it up. There we go. Boom. That's your earphones, packed very well by JBL. So kudos to JBL for packing this very nicely. And very athletic looking as well. So I don't want to damage this box. I might just use it for some other purpose, keeping small stuff in there. And let's try and pull this out. I have to be careful. So finally, I have the earphones in my hand. Let's keep that aside for now. Extra earbuds. The small one and the big one, in case the default ones do not fit inside your ears. We have some paperwork here. I think this is the warning or attention kind of paper in various languages. This is the user manual, which is long and boring and in multiple languages that I'll never read. And finally, we have some kind of quality control paper in Mandarin. Let us have a closer look at the earphones. As you can see, it's black in color, and it also has a JBL imprinted on the side there. Well, we just finished the unboxing, and now the actual product is in my hands. And well, let us check out the build. So when it comes to the build quality, we have a plastic belt as well as rubber. It's a mixture of both. Color is black and gray. Why black? I'm a fan of black, and well, everything black is cool. Anyways, so let me try and fit them in my ears. I do work out, and it's important that if I put them in my ears, they don't fall off very easily. So this one is the left. Let me put that in. Sorry, this one is the right. Let me put that in my right ear, and the other one on my left ear. So the usual or common issues that you're going to have with wired earphones is the cluttering, and you know, they may be tangled from time to time, but you just deal with it. But you also know that you will not have a problem with latency when you are using your wired earphones. So they do fit really, really well. If I move even a little aggressively, they do not drop off, which shows that they do really fit well in my ears. So these are the in-ear type of earphones, and they're quite common nowadays compared to the old ones that fall off very easily. So this is what the product looks like, and I'm really happy with the build and the ergonomic of this earphone. Let us test the audio, and JBL is quite a reputed brand here in India. Let me test the quality of the earphones, and for that I'm gonna need a phone that still has a headphone jack, because you already know that phones nowadays hardly comes with a headphone jack. The latest that I heard is the A52 from Samsung that still has an earphone jack. Otherwise, most of the phones nowadays, the sub-premium and the premium brand, will not have a headphone jack. So I'm happy that I can still use my headphone jack, because I really I haven't really got into using fully the wireless earphones, truly wireless earphones that I have right here. For now, let me test the audio quality. I'm a big progressive rock music fan, and I will listen to one of my music here and see whether the quality is really good or really bad or average. So here we go. Very good bass. I really like the bass. The balance between the treble and the bass is quite amazing for something that costs about 1600 Indian rupees. I like the crystallizing of various instruments. I clearly can hear the piano in the background, or the drums and the guitar. So I'm really impressed by the quality or the audio quality of this earphone.
There's something still missing, but some of the room is
really impressed with the audio quality of these earphones. If you're looking to buy new earphones and your budget is within 2000 rupees, I'm sure these are the ones to go for. And they may take longer than usual because of the pandemic and all that in the country. But I think if you can wait, then nothing like it. You may even get a discount on sale days. But other than that, I think they're very much sub-premium or a mid-level priced earphone. So that's what JBL Harman. I'm really happy with this buy, and well, I hope you are happy with yours too.